Morning to everyone uh, watching me and those who are struggling themselves in this crisis of corona. So, in my mind, there is a idea that is hunting me always about the relationship, the teaching status, the school status, and the contribution of the parents regarding this crisis I want to talk about. Uh, I think that this coronavirus it has started from March and it is still going on. And in March, due to lockdown, the schools they were not running, and that's why the students they could not go to the school. But in these past 2 months, I think that every school's teachers they have done more hard work because to go to school and teach in the class I think it is very easier. It is very easy. You go to the class, you take the text there, and you just start reading and explaining the things before the students. It is very easy. I think that this is my opinion. But do you think about the condition which a private teacher is facing right now? And in some districts and some of the places, the government teachers also. Which kind of difficulty we are facing to teach the students of the school? It is very hurting to me, and I just whenever I visit on the social media platform, I have seen that most of the people they are giving their argument that there is no school, there is no fee. So one thing I want to ask, in March, April and May, the teachers they have done their effective labor and they have taught your students, your students, your son, your daughters, your children on the online platform. So do you think that online platform is easier to teach in the class? Virtual class is easier to teach the real class? If you think it is easy, I think that you don't have any experience of the labor the private teacher they are doing. I am not advocating because as a teacher, but I advocate, I am in the favor, I just support this thing because I had my own personal experiences. When we were teaching in the class, it was very easy to go to the class, to go to school, take 5-6 classes per day of 40 minutes. It was very easy for us. But do you think when staying at the home, which kind of difficulty, how many tasks we had to perform while teaching your children? First, every teacher has set up his task for tomorrow. I am telling you, the routine of a teacher, which kind of routine they have set up to teach your children online on the platform of WhatsApp, on the platform of YouTube, on the platform of live classes. So when most of the teachers, they were not aware about some live classes, like there are many apps. We came to know about that later. But earlier, when in the March last, we had to start the session 2020 and 21. At that time, lockdown has started. From there till today, we had suffered, we had done great job, we had done laborious task to teach your children there. So I was telling you that the setup, the teacher's task setup while lockdown teaching students. First, they have to set tomorrow's task, and in tomorrow's task, what they had to do first, they had to make a video for the content. First thing they were doing, make the video for the content of your children. It is not easy that they had made the video and it takes only 15 minutes, only 30 minutes. At least in adjusting the video, it was taking more than 2 hours in making one video of 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Because you know that the technology situation in our country is very poor. And that's why we are not competent to make the content video very easily. We don't have such kind of equipment which easily can make the videos. So suppose that we have to make one video in 2 hours. It was taking at least 2 hours in making, editing. After that, the uploading of that video on the platform, either the platform of WhatsApp or the platform of YouTube, how it is difficult. Suppose that if you are making a video of 30 minutes, there your voice should be clear, your content should be clear, your vocal also should be clear. So what was the activity that the teachers were performing? First they were making the video and then they themselves listen the video. They were trying to clarify the clarity of video, that everything is clear whatever they wanted to teach in the video. If there is any mistake, they had to again make this video, editing this video, after that uploading the video on the internet in platform like WhatsApp, like YouTube. And you know that if you don't have a video consumes at least 350 MB, at least 350 MB, in which the voice is clear, in which the all the concept clearance are there. 350 MB, more than 350 MB, it was taking one video of 30 minutes. Now think about this. The teacher has to at least make 3, 4, 5 videos per day. 3, 4, 5 videos per day, suppose that. So how much time it will take? At least 6 hours. At least 6 hours. Maximum it was 2 night. It was 2 night to take the dinner. And you think that it was easy to teach on the online platform? If you think, please make a video of 30 minutes and teach on something and tell something on a particular topic, how much time it consumes. And then you have the real experience of the teachers they were suffering. So think about that. Within that, this was not only the task, other tasks also were there. Suppose that you are sending a video, there is no clearance in the concept. The student call the teachers, they ask the answer, they ask their teachers to clear the concept, and teacher honestly did it. Teacher honestly did it. Teacher thinking that this is their duty, they are performing, they have done their good job. And now such kind of effort the teacher were doing. Now you can think yourself how much time a teacher was giving in online teaching platform. Okay, next. This was, I just told you what the teacher were doing. But later on social media, the slogan every most of the most of the guardians they have one click picture and they updated on the Facebook. No school, no fees. So you are staying at your home. Ask your children how much they have lost in this lockdown or how much they have gained while the online teaching platform. You can get the answer by your own children. Ask about this. Ask about this. If you get the satisfactory remark from your children, then I request you to go and submit the fee of your children in the institutions, in the schools where they study. If you get negative remarks, I never ask you to go and to submit the fee of your children. Don't be misguided. Don't be misguided some unsocial elements in the society, because you find out the reality. The person who raises such kind of slogans, no school, no fees, ask them how many children they have, how many children they have in their schools. Such kind of activity in the society, you know that today the time is of very crisis, and here everyone needs the support of everyone. No one is independent, because you know that our country, most of the people they are in middle class, they are the lower class, most of the they are the daily wage laborers, but cooperation is very necessary. In this crisis time, in this pandemic time, everyone's need everyone's help. So don't be misguided. Please assure yourself that your kids, your children, they got the knowledge, they understood the content, the teacher their teacher have taught them. You will get the answer automatically, because the answer is just beside you, but because of some unsocial element you are misguided. So I request you to know the reality of online teaching platform and to support your institution, public sector schools, so that they can sustain their teachers also. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.